What's going on, guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews, and yes, it is giveaway time again. I'm going to be giving away this excellent Finch Cimarron next Saturday, courtesy of Finch Knife Co. Now, if you are a new subscriber to my channel and you are here because of the post for this, then I actually asked you to subscribe to Finch as well, or follow Finch on Instagram, and tag a few friends in the comments. Now, you also have to be subscribed to this channel as well. But for the guys who have been subscribed to my channel before I actually made this post, you guys are good. Nobody that have been subscribed to my channel has to do anything. You are automatically entered into the contest and don't have to go tag nobody or anything. Now, I'm trying to make that as fair as possible. At the end of the day, this is all about networking and getting more people to know about these excellent knives. Now, I do have a few channel updates. I know you've probably seen a couple of shorts videos pop up that are under 60 seconds. That's me trying a new thing here on YouTube, and it's kind of helping with the subscribers and getting my view counts up, stuff like that. You know, it's just using the tools that YouTube gives us as creators, which is really, really good for the channel. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget, next Saturday, I will be giving this bad boy away. If you do follow me on Instagram, still, go over there, tag a few friends, let them know about the giveaway, and I'll see you guys next Saturday. Thanks, guys.